Jeff Keenan here. I'm going to show you how to replace the stock engine cover on your C8 Corvette with one of the accessory red or silver colors. It's real easy and you're going to save yourself a bunch of money. So there's actually 4 bolts that you're going to need to remove to take the old cover off. They're 10 millimeters. I used a little extension so I can get to them easier. Now the 2 on the back are straightforward. They're directly threaded into the intake. The 2 toward the rear of the car have some fuel rail brackets attached to them, so you'll want to pull those aside once you get the bolts off. So the bolt on the back of the cover doesn't actually attach to the intake manifold. It has a fuel rail bracket which clips into the back. Now it looks like this is a one-time fastener, so you're gonna have to get it out with maybe, I used some pliers and I both twisted and pushed it out. It took me a little bit of work, but I was able to get it out and it popped into the new cover without any problems. So here's the end product with the red engine accessory cover installed. This took maybe 20 minutes to do. Super easy. And as far as cost goes, if you ordered this red cover with your car, they're going to charge you $500. You can easily order the same exact GM part number online. I'll put a link for under $400 right now. And then you also have your black cover, which you can either keep or sell. So I'm selling mine for $200, and you're obviously saving some money. It's a super easy job. So again, I'll put a link to where you can get these covers. And please remember to like and subscribe for more Corvette C8 videos and help with Wi-Fi products.